Are you able to see, Srishta? Can you please confirm?
Remote
Okay,
camera.
Yes, sir.
please. Sir. Okay, thank you. Kindly mute yourself and thank you. So, welcome to the orientation of Think India 2020. Now, all of you will be thinking, what is Think India? So, many of you have searched in the Facebook and the website, but Think India is a manifestation of vision to connect the students across the India's National Education Institute to bind them in the national thought process and to harness their collective potential towards the aim of national reconstruction. So we are the Pan India organization have been striving to bring together the best talents and minds of the country and infuse in them a nation first attitude, to develop in them a solution oriented thinking process, and to inspire young India to serve the society, collaborating with institutions, individuals, and enterprises. We at Think India have tried to ensure maximum opportunities for students and professionals in our network to develop and contribute in various dimensions. Now, when and how it started? So, think thought which we are working on. The people from the IISc Bangalore and other institutions from Bangalore during 2006, they thought that we should work somehow when there is no platform overall India in pan India, that they work for the institution of national importance like IITs, NITs, IIScs, ISAs, snipers, and even for the NLUs. I request everyone again to kindly mute yourself. Keep mute yourself. Thank you. So in 2006, the Think India has been started from Bengaluru, and there was a first our forum meeting and our workshop in 2007 in the Art of Living Ashram in Bengaluru. After that, we had a team, and we in present we are present in all over IITs, NITs, and all national institutions of the India. So how what is the purpose of Think India? So Think India's purpose is to promote social harmony, fulfill the need of Bharat, support and motivation for the students and the community who wants to contribute to the nation, activities in various campuses like IITs, NITs, upliftment of the rural Bharat, support gender justice and support national interest. Now, what was the of Think India? So, as I said, we initiated Think India in 2006. There was a very first city level workshop in South India. After that, we had a first Think India's national convention in 2007. After 2010, we had a formation of national network where we had a national committees like national convener, in charge, national co-convener, and state conveners in the each state of the India, and so on. In 2011, we had a national workshop on the India Today and India Tomorrow. After that, we had a national level conference for the vision for a vibrant nation in 2012. After that, we initiated various internships. So these a concept of internship which Think India initiated was never in the India, and which was the very first which Think India started, and now we are with the more than 7 internships provide for the students of IITs, NITs, and NLUs. So we started Anubhuti internship, which is the social internship in 2012. That was the first edition of Anubhuti. After that, in 2016, we had a Think India's Law Summit for the students of National Law Universities of the India. In 2018, we again started two more internships and the fellowship of Think India for the research students and the Sansadya internship for the students who wants to go in the parliament and work in the policies. In 2018, we had an All India NIT Summit. First NIT Summit was in the NIT Jaipur, and so on. 2017 and 2019, we had a Samvad Shuruat internship program, and 2020, recently in the lockdown only, we initiated a startup forum. So I'll go in the all details of all these things which I presented in this journey. Now, I want to like to start from the internship. That what are the internship available for the students of NITs and IITs and NLUs, which we provides every year. So there are 7 internship and fellowship, which I one by one I'll explain to you. Very first is the Anubhuti internship. Anubhuti internship is a social internship where the students from all IITs and NITs go to the work under the NGOs and other organizations who are working at the grassroots level model, who are working for the social awareness, social leader of the societies, those who are the real heroes, real role model of the India. So they go there and they work with them. So this is the Anubhuti internship, which provides to the exposure for students to realize what is the real grassroots model and grassroots working in the India. Another internship, the VD. This internship is for the students of legal and legal background from the NLUs and all. So VD is an internship where students from all NLUs, we provide them a mentorship of the renowned lawyer and advocates of the Supreme Court of the India and various high courts of the India. So this is the VD internship. We have a successful legal legacy in the VD internship till now. Next is very interesting internship. This is the public policy internship. We all are aware that scientists and the people from scientific background are very much involved in the policies, and we have to be involved in the policies to make our country better. So this is the internship where we provide students an exposure to work with the policy organizations, those organizations who work for the public policies domains and all. So they work under them for 1, 2, 3 months, and develop their efficiency, develop some contribution in the policies. So this is Niti internship. Now, very interesting and very hot favorite internship for the students of IITs and NITs, that is Sansadiya internship. The Sansadiya internship, which is called the parliamentarian internship, where the student of IITs and NITs go to work with the parliamentarians, member of parliaments and ministers in our Parliament of India. As in my introduction, I also was a once intern of the Think India in Parliament internship. This is a very fantastic and amazing internship where we directly got an advice and mentorship from the member of parliament and ministers to work with them for 2-3 months of the parliament session of the parliaments. We can work with them. We can be a part of the research team and the research of the different acts and bills of the India of the Parliament of the India. So this is the internship which people always look forward. Now another Samvad internship. So the Samvad internship was for the students of journalism. So those who wants to pursue the journalism, even from the IIT and NITs, many of people are interested in the journalism and mass communication, even in the article writing and many things. So this is the internship for the those who want their career in future in the journalism, where we send students in the various major media houses, major the people who work with the journalism, and they go there. Am I audible, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So they go there and they work with them to get more information, to get more experience. So this is again a fantastic internship. Now the new internship, even it is very interesting for all of you and for the students of IITs and NITs. That is called Shuruaat internship. So this is the very new concept which Think India bring. That is the startup internship. So all of you must be be very excited to work with the startups. Many of you will be willing to start their own startups. So it is very difficult to start the startup at the very first stage if you don't have any experience, or if you don't have any exposure. So Think India brought this concept to send the students of IITs and NITs to work under the direct people who have founder and CEOs of the startups. So you can work there, you can go there and share your ideas according to your area of interest, and you can get your experience, and you can also contribute in the startup. The people who are already working in the field, you can get this amazing exposure during your very first, second, and third year of your engineering. So and I'm very happy that we are also going to announce the this Shuruaat internship just after 1 month. So many of you people can also apply for this Shuruaat internship. Now another is International Law Commission. We are very much aware of the United Nations and International Law Commission. So United Nations have the International Law Commission, which works for the international law, international relations. So we send interns and fellows under Dr. Aniruddha Rajput to work in the United Nations in International Law Commission. So this is very amazing and unique opportunity which Think India provides to the students of India and students of national institutions. So all this information are available on the website of Think India, thinkindia.org.in. You can anytime go and visit the this website and get more information about the internship. Now, another thing is the Think India forums. I, as recently told that in 2020, during this lockdown, also we initiated this concept called Think India forums. So we already were working in the different states of India, different institutions, but there was a subjects which needed an specialized focus to work on. So we thought and we initiated nearly 24 forums for Think India, as it is mentioned here: Writers Forum, Forum for Legal Activism, Language Forum, Ancient Mathematics Forum, Constitutional Law Forum, International Law Forums, Governance and Policy Forums, Women Rights Forum, Debating Forums, Education Policy Forum, Tribal Rights, Criminal Justice, Animal Rights, Nature and Environment Forum, Startup and Innovation Forum, Liberal Arts, LGBTQI, Human Rights, International Relation Forum, Coding Forum, Indian Economic Forum, Management, Child Rights and Leadership. So these are 24 forums who specifically works on these particular issues, and everyone can be part of these forums. We will circulate the form to join the forums in all of your WhatsApp groups. So you can join the forums according to your interest and can be contribute. You will get this amazing exposure because there will be people from institute of all over India. There will be people from all IITs, all NITs, all NLUs. So this will be amazing for you also to know and get involved. So this is the concept of forum. I'll show some photographs of some forums because it is difficult to explain all of them in detail. Like Startup and Innovation Forum. So Startup and Innovation has the indigenous summit recently into 2020, where nearly 70 plus startup founders came there and they explained their ideas of startups and their journeys. Many ministers and other people also came. We also had a collaboration with IIT Kharagpur and IIM Calcutta on the startup event. So the poster is already there on the right side. I hope you all can see this presentation. So there was a different subject on that. There was people from different areas. Another is Tribal Right Forum. So we have very active Tribal Right Forums. Those who work on the tribals, communities, tribal rights, even for the innovations and technologies are and the culture of the tribals. So we had daily trivias, like they tell about how tribal communities are there, what is the real knowledge of them. We had a call for papers. All of you, many of you will be interested in the writing research papers and research. So we have a call of papers and different workshop of Chitra workshop we had, and so many activities are happening nowadays. We are having the information brochures available by the Tribal Right Forum. Another amazing forum is the Writers Forum. So we have a very active Writers Forum, which so many people like Vivek Agnihotri, even Amish, the Suhail Dev book of the Amish was inaugurated and launched in the Think India Writer Forum, the Indian Quotient. So we I think in every 15 days we have a new book launching from the various amazing writers of the books in Think India. We have a monthly national article writing competition, which is organized by Think India's Writers Forum, and we also publish a book called Vichar Manthan, which is available in the Amazon. You can download and you can read that using the Amazon Kindle. We also have this tie-up with South Asian Express. We publish your articles in South Asian Express, also in the Vichar Manthan. The selected articles can be published in that. So Writers Forum is again doing an amazing job, and you can be associated with Writers Forum if you are interested in that. So Think India Coding Forum, if you are the people from computer science engineering and electronics engineering and information technology, so you can join the coding forum for the coding activities all over the India. There will be people from all IITs and NITs. Another is Language Forum. So the best thing about IITs and NITs is our culture, because we live with the people of all over states. So it is a mini India in the campus. So we get amazing exposure to know the culture of the all people of the India, all the states. We get to know about their languages. So this is the unique concept where even student only itself, if I am a Gujarati and someone behind me is near me is a Telugu, he wants to learn Telugu, Gujarati language, so I will teach him a Telugu. And if I want to learn Telugu, then he'll teach me a Telugu. So this is a unique concept where Think India's language forum is working in all IITs in campuses. Nowadays we are working online, so we had a different workshop and events on Sanskrit language or other languages as well. You can see those posters and brochures of that. So you can also to have a multi talented and in language, you can join this forum. Now I'll talk about some flagship event of Think India. So we've been doing a flagship events since 2010, and even in the lockdown we didn't stop, and even we have started the e-summits and all events in e-mode. So we had this e-model United Nations. You all are aware of Model United Nations. This is very amazing thing to be associated with, because in Model United Nations we came to know about various issues of various public policy things, and we can have our own ideas there to share with the people. So we had this e-model United Nations on different topics like UNHRC, Lok Sabha, UNSC, and War Cabinet in recently 2020 only. So maybe hopefully we'll have this Modern United Nations next time physically, where we all can participate and share our ideas with all. So this is amazing thing to join. Now another is National E-Youth Parliament. So all of you are aware of the parliament, how the Parliament of India functions. So even government also started this model parliament sessions. So Think India started this National Youth Parliament, where the people from all over India, the youth and students, they came to this program, they share their ideas, they discuss about various issues. Like we had this time three agendas like Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, and Sarvadali Baitak. So this is what Think India is. This is why the Think India is unique, because we have works in all of domain of the whatever you think, it is there in the Think India. Now another thing is Indigenous Startup and Innovation Summit, which I already explained to you, with the collaboration of STPI, AICT, iHub, and many esteemed organizations of India. We had this summit recently where many people from various domains, nearly 50 plus founders and CEOs came, and they shared their ideas in this summit. We have this Jagruti Youth Conference. Actually, Jagruti Youth Conference is a flagship event of Think India, which every year we organize with the help of IISc Bangalore, and in IISc only. So we had the last Jagruti event in January 2020. You can see the posters and photographs of Jagruti event conference. So every year we organize this event. Because of lockdown, this we could not organize this year, but we had already in the 2020 January only. So now we'll have this in 2021, hopefully in the physically. So this is amazing opportunity for students to come there, go there and get certification, to get present their papers, to present their ideas, present their models in this Jagruti Youth Conference. Another is All India NIT Students Conference. Many of you are from NITs, various NITs of the India, and nearly 31 NITs are there. So we had this NIT conference since last 2 years. So very first year, when very first NIT conference was in NIT Jaipur, and second one, which photographs you are seeing are from the NIT Surat, which was the very last year, where the nearly 700 plus students from various NITs were present there physically. You will also get the chance to be there in NIT conference maybe next year. And there are people like DRDO chairman was there, Nitin Gadkari ji, people from ISROs and DRDOs, various professors, faculties were there in the. I request everyone to mute yourself. Please mute. There is an echo. Sunanda Eka, kindly mute yourself. Thank you. So you can see this photograph of NIT conference of last year. There was a big, we created a platform for the students to speak on the various issues. There was various competition like robotics competition, the models which you can see here in the very bottom of the right, that they have presented, and there was kind of museum of various things in the NIT conference. It was 3 days conference in various NITs. Everywhere we organize in different NITs. Another thing for the law students, it was a law summit we every year we organize in Delhi and in the various places of the India. So you can see the law summit poster of 2019, where such esteemed dignitaries were present in the law summit. So this is another flagship event of Think India. Now, except this, we always organize, talks and lectures in every institution every time. So these are, some of posters I have shown. Except this, there are lots of talks we already have organized, which you can find on our Facebook page of Think India, on our YouTube page of the Think India, and hear them. Like DRDO chairmen, so many authors, writers, like the Sanjeev Sanyal, who is the economic advisor of Prime Minister, many ministers like Smriti Irani, very esteemed, professors like Dr. Michelle Danino from IIT Gandhinagar, people from media like Udayji, who is in the India Today and Bureau of Chief of India. Even many people from abroad like Andrew Feinstein and other people also came here in the Think India's platform and delivered their lectures. So every time, even in the lockdown time, we organized more than 70 lectures from Think India's Facebook page. So, and every campus is campus team of Think India also organized various lecture in their every month and every 15 days in the various campuses. So these are all benefits. Now, except this, there are campus activities. So many things are organized by Think India national team, Think India centrally only. Many things organized by Think India's state team, and by if you are from NIT Jaipur, then there will be a program for NIT Rajasthan only. From Think India Rajasthan only. So another thing is campus activity. Except this, we have a campus activities in the all NITs, IITs. Like study circle, we used to discuss many ideas and solve the problems there. Seva activities, we go the nearby areas and whatever we can contribute, and Seva programs, campus development programs with the help of faculties and all. Mentorship programs are there where students itself mentor other campus level events, and many workshops like coding workshop, writing workshop, art workshop, talks and lectures, faculty interaction, which is very important, competitions, research activities, and many entertainments and tour events are happening. So this is all from my side, because actually it is a Think India is a very broad, and to explain it needs a lots of time to But if you want to know more, then you have to be active in the Think India. So join Think India actively to know more, understand more, realize it more, and to contribute more through this Think India. So you will get an amazing opportunity, because Think India is a unique opportunity for you, where you'll meet the people from all over India, all IITs, all NITs, and all analysts all together. You will get to know about the various dignitaries who will come on our platform. You will be able to interact with them. You will be able to develop your personalities like others, and there are many invisible opportunities you will see in the future time. So I request everyone to follow all the Facebook Think India's page, which is on you will have to write you Think India org on the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and on the LinkedIn. And you can visit our website www.thinkindiaorg.in and get more information and get updated. Yes. So this is all from my side. Thank you so much, and stay safe in this time of pandemic. I hope you enjoyed the session, and you will be active in Think India. Thank you so much.